Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you the basics of the remove duplicates function in Excel. So here we can see I have a column of customer names and they're duplicated in here multiple times. So if I just want each customer on this list once, I'd highlight the column, go over to data, and I'd click on this icon here that removes duplicates. And then I just take the defaults there and click OK. And so now I have a list of all my customers, but none of them are duplicated. So that's the very basics of the remove duplicates function. It can get more advanced than that, but this is just the basic tutorial. Thank you for watching.